Hi, I'm Heather from Car Seat Site. Today we're going to be installing the Britax One4Life All-in-One car seat forward facing. This seat goes 22 to 65 pounds and under 49 inches. So for forward facing, there are several things we have to do to get the car seat ready to install. First, we have to undo the tether from the back of the car seat. The tether is attached to its storage holder right here. So we're going to loosen, get some slack so we can easily remove it like that. This is a V-shaped tether, so it has attachment points on either side of the top of the car seat. And we'll just pull it over to the front of the car seat so it doesn't get stuck behind as we go to install it. Next, we're going to settle it on the vehicle seat. We also have to be aware of which recline setting it's on. Right now my recline setting is on B, and that's booster, and that's only for the booster use. Because it's an all-in-one seat, it goes rear facing, forward facing, and booster mode. And so we don't want to be setting it up into booster mode setting just yet. So we're going to choose one of the other recline settings. I'm going to set this up into a fairly upright mode, so I'm going to use it just one setting down, one recline setting down from booster mode. So I'm going to press the recline button right here and set it into recline setting 8. Right there. As you can see, the recline is really easy to move on this seat. If you find it too easy to move on your vehicle seat, or it's too hard to move, set it on the ground, and that'll make it much more easy or efficient to change the recline setting. So right now it's on setting 8, which is still very upright, but it's one position down from the booster mode. We'll get it set squarely on the vehicle seat. Next, we want to open the ClickTight panel, because that's how we install the seat, is through the ClickTight panel. So to open the ClickTight panel, I'm going to open the elastic, which is on this padding piece covering the ClickTight panel, and it exposes the red ClickTight buttons. I'm going to squeeze the ClickTight buttons together, and it opens the panel. Now, right now, I'm not getting very much access to the ClickTight area, to the installation belt path area. I can barely reach through into the rear-facing belt path. There are 2 different belt paths on this seat. There's the rear-facing belt path, and then there's the forward-facing belt path, which is behind the child's back, and it's marked in green right here. The reason that I can't open this ClickTight panel very far is because the headrest is down. When the headrest rises up, then I'll have much more access. I'll be able to open this ClickTight panel. So what I'm going to do is raise the headrest up. Now I have much better access. You can see how far the ClickTight panel opened there. So now I'm going to take my seatbelt, route it through the forward-facing belt path, which again goes behind the child's back. Both sides, and buckle. Now I'm going to remove the slack. You can see there's quite a bit of slack right here. I'm just going to take that out. I don't want to pull the seatbelt tight. I just want to take that slack out. There we go. And now close the ClickTight panel. That's it. This car seat's installed. Now let's check for tightness. Take your non-dominant hand, which is the hand you don't write with, grab at the belt path, and test for movement. You want less than 1 inch of movement at the belt path. This car seat's not going anywhere, so it's really tight. It's actually moving my car. The final step for installation is to attach the top tether. Now, on my vehicle, the top tether is back and down at the base of the vehicle seat. So I'm going to move my seat forward. And I'm going to lengthen the tether. Pull your tether snug. On the V-shaped tether, as you pull the tether tight, where the strap handle is, it's going to pull it tight while leaving a bunch of slack on this side. Just shimmy the tether through the hook, like so, and pull on the other side until you get all the slack out. As you can see on my car, the shape of the seat causes the tether to fall down. I have a separate video on how to fix this particular problem, so I'm going to link to that video. Most other cars don't have this problem. It's just a normal pull the tether tight and you're not going to have any problems at all with it. This is the only vehicle I've ever seen this issue in. It's a Tesla Model X. So you just have to pull the tether tight and you're done. So now I'm going to put my seat back into position. And the seat is installed. The next step is to put your child into the seat, adjust the harness headrest so that the harness is at the shoulders or just slightly above. Forward facing has different rules than rear facing for harness adjustment. The harness is there to hold the child back in the seat, so we want the harness to be just at or above to accomplish that goal. So this is how we install the Britax One4Life All-in-One car seat. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. We'll have more videos just like this one.